What can you say about Sara? Ano, hinog na ba yan for president?
Well, time will tell.
Maalisin ka.
Time will tell. Time will tell.
Right now.
Right now we still have to look into so many factors.
What? Kayo naman campaign manager.
Acceptability of the people, the charisma that
Meron siya nun.
she has the charisma, no doubt about it. And then thirdly, of course, the support of the bureaucracy. Kasi malaki din yung masabi din na yung bureaucracy would be in support of the president. Whoever would be endorsed by the president to become the next president. If that is Inday Sara, then we have to look into so many factors. One is whether people would accept her or not. And we have also to look into the division of the Philippines as to the north, the Ilocanos, the Tagalog, then down south the Bisaya, that is Visayas and Mindanao.